guys, it's Gina. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? What's up? How you doing? I don't have school today, so I figured I'd do like a vlog style kind of video like I did for Vlogmas, so I think that would be kind of fun. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and click the notification bell so you know every time I upload a video and post stuff on my wall, because I can post stuff to the community. And if you have my post notifications on, you'll be able to see if I post stuff on it and what I post on there. So, I also want to thank you guys for the love and support on yesterday's video. That means the world to me. I know it was like big topics, but I want to say thank you because everyone was being so nice, and I love you all, and let's just keep bringing that positivity into the new year. Alright, so we're changed. We're in my bathroom. I'm brushing my hair. So, I don't have school today because it's Martin Luther King Day. So like I said, I figured I'd give you guys a video. Right now we are in my, oh my gosh, this stupid tag on my sports bra. We're in my bathroom and I'm going to show you guys just like this like super quick stuff I do to my skin when I get up. So I have my First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads, this this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer, and then the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I gotta open this because I literally just bought a brand new one and used my last one last night. So how you guys doing? I feel like I haven't done one of these vlog things in a while. I gotta take off my glasses so I cannot see you. So there's that. I did order new glasses like over a week ago. Yeah, I was still on Christmas break or winter break when I ordered them, and they're en route from Illinois right now, but like if you've seen anything about like Ohio or like some part of like the Northeast, yeah, we just got slammed with like crazy snow. So that's fun. And then usually I let this sit on my face for a little bit and then I go eat. So I just have to take out my trays and stuff. My dogs are gonna be super annoying because I'm the only one home right now. No! Stop! Please. They're being very annoying because they don't know where my mom is. Stop it! Let's go outside. Hold on. If you want to see what kind of snow we got, this was literally all in a weekend. Literally, one weekend. So my face is dry right now from the First Aid Beauty stuff, so I'm going to put my moisturizer on now. Sometimes it takes a while to dry, that's why I did what I said. And still have not got a new tripod. New year, same tripod. Don't know why I haven't. Actually, no, I know why I haven't. I went to the store the one day. I went to Best Buy. I went to Target. I went to all these places, and I could not find one that I liked at all. They all were like chintzy and cheap, and I spent money on this one, and it's from Apple, and it sucks, and they don't even make it anymore, so there's that. It's just annoying. Also, like, the Best Buy that I go to is like literally like redoing their store, so everything's everywhere. They don't even have cameras. Like, they have cameras, but like they don't even have any of them out. And then I'm not gonna use the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist because I actually put a lot of the moisturizer on, so I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to put that away. And then it is currently time to eat. There's literally, I'm like all over the place today. I don't know why I feel like this, but I am, and I literally cannot stand this tripod. Someone please in the comment section down below, give me a new tripod. Not like give it to me, but like give me suggestions for one, because this one sucks so bad. Blah. She's looking at me. I don't. You see how it keeps moving? I'm not even touching anything. I hate this thing. And it's locked too, so it shouldn't move. But it's still moving. What the heck? Time to eat. I don't know what I want. There's a pantry. I have some Reese Puffs right now. That sounds so good. So I gotta get that, gotta get the milk. Do any of you guys use almond milk? I do. I use the vanilla, I use the Silk almond milk in vanilla because I cannot really stomach regular milk. It upsets my stomach, so. All right, so we're just gonna sit down and talk about random stuff. So, first off, did any of you guys watch the Saints game last night? If you did, comment down below how ridiculous that call that didn't get called was, because that was stupid and blatantly there. And there's stuff all over my glasses. Also, what kind of videos do you guys want me to be doing? Like, I have video ideas, but do you want, like, leave me suggestions down below. Let me know what you want. That really did not help. I can't. I'm not putting on my contact shirt because I don't want to. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of what a video will be this week. Has something, maybe, probably, has to do with Ipsy versus Sephora play. So stay tuned for that. Haven't really been doing much today. Anyone watch Ghost Adventures? I want to know that because that is my show. It's so good. So good. Can't really watch it at night though because it kind of creeps me out. Let me know. Also, is anyone into crystals? Let me know down below because I am super into crystals. I have a bunch. Let me know if you want to see a video with all my crystals because I can do that. Isn't really much to do. It's -5 outside, so that's wonderful. It's Martin Luther King Day, so it's not like I can go take the giveaway winners stuff to the post office because I can't because it's closed. Also, I wanted to, okay, so does anyone know who Madison Miller is? If you do, subscribe to her if you haven't. Her channel is freaking amazing. Well, anyway, I have her link down below. She does these mystery box giveaways, okay? And she's a pretty big YouTuber. And she does these mystery box giveaways on her, you have to follow her on her Instagram to see when she's doing them. And I enter literally every single one of them, and I'm like, it's fine. Like, I'm not gonna win. Like, I enter so many giveaways, like, there's no way. And there's so many people who, like, enter those giveaways, so I'm like, oh, I'm not gonna win. So I entered yesterday, because she did one for, like, 2 people, and I won. So let me know if, when I get it, if you guys want to see a video of me opening up on camera of my mystery box, because it's literally a mystery box full of makeup, or skincare, or, like, literally anything. I don't know what I'm getting. So let me know if you guys want to see that, down below. I think that'd be pretty cool for a video. I think it'd be pretty awesome. I'm still so excited that I won. Like, it's friggin' amazing. I probably feel exactly like how like my giveaway winner won, how like Natasha felt. Like, it's insane. I'll give you guys a little update on school. Last week was my first week back, and Monday and Wednesday I'm like up at a decent time, and by decent time like I get up at like 7, which is fine, and I have class at 10:15 to 11:30, and that's my only class for the day. But Tuesdays and Thursdays literally are gonna be so hard. I don't think I'm ever gonna get used to them. I have to get up at 5:50 in the morning, have class at 7:15 in the morning. That requires me to actually move around and do stuff because it's my exercise leadership class. I'm not done with classes till 4 p.m. And I have 2 long breaks in between. After my first class, I have an hour and I have 2 hours and 30 minutes in between my first class and my second class. And then for my second to last class and my last class, I have an hour and 45 minutes, which isn't as bad. And I would go home, but I commute, so I can't do that because by the time I get home, I'd be home only for a little bit, then have to go back, which is dumb. And I have no one that I can like go hang out with and go like chill in their dorm or something. So I literally sit in my car and watch YouTube videos. I don't know why myself, when I was scheduling my classes, thought that was going to be a great idea. Well, originally I was going to try to get an 8:45 class, but that class got full right away, which is annoying. So I had to take the 7:15 in the morning because I need it for my major. Stupid. Still salty about it. So like tomorrow, I'm going to be a zombie. I already know it. We got the mystery bag, guys, and some new foundation and concealer. Let's go. Alright, so I didn't make an outro, so I'm making an outro on the laptop. This was just a random vlog. I know I had literally like no context to it, but I wanted to do a video for you guys just because I didn't have school today, so this is what you got. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to turn your post notifications on by clicking that little bell. That way you know every time that I upload a video and post on my wall. And I will see you guys on Thursday for our next video. Have a great day. Bye.